Welcome to the Edsembli Cloud Student Information System, a modern solution that will provide a solid foundation for the future of education at your school district. This is the second video of a four-part series where we will explore the administrative tools and screens of the Edsembli SIS. Today's video will take a deep dive into the student record. Let's get started. First, finding a student is easy with simple and advanced search options allowing for complex searches using Boolean operators and prompts for accepted data inputs. Advanced searches can be saved and rerun at any time. This is especially helpful if it is a frequent or complex search. Simply click on the student's name to open the student record. The student record will present a summary of the most important information first: medical alerts, custody notes, student timetables, today's attendance, contact information, and even a map to their home address. You can quickly move between students by clicking the next or previous student in your search result. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see expandable menu options. Access to each menu and submenu is controlled through the user role and permissions. Let's start with Personal. Here, you will find demographic information for the student, and you can even attach any relevant digital document, such as IDs, custody documents, or report cards. The types of documents are fully configurable. Plus, you can track documents by date and expiry date. Next comes Family and Contacts. Here, you can track contacts, siblings, and the preferred contact order and relationship for all of the contacts. Add a new contact by clicking on the plus symbol and filling in the required information. If a contact already exists for another student, you can even link them. Great! Next comes Class Info. Class Info includes the student's current course load, a detailed timetable for this year and next. The student's course choices are also available, meaning guidance counselors and advisors can make edits directly from here. Let's move to Attendance. This includes a summary of attendance and lets you manage attendance directly from the interface. So if a student notifies you in advance they'll be away for several weeks, you can make those changes right away. Next is the Enrollment Register. This drives your funding reports. And flags can be set to identify health or behavior supports. Moving on to Achievement. Here, you can view the marks and comments for all current classes, with an option to edit if your privileges allow. Graduation requirements are tracked, clearly identifying what is required to receive their diploma, as well as any other certifications your school district might track. Assessment results can be added manually or imported into the system. Any other certificates or awards can also be tracked here as well, including community involvement. The previous year's selection stores longitudinal data for grades and attendance too. What about special education? Our optional Special Education module will track placements and programs. Along with any meetings, minutes, and next steps. Our SIS also includes a fees module for tracking financial activity, like fees owing, payments, and general transactions. Payments are even easier with support for in-person and online payments by credit card. Notes can be added and stored by the principal, secretary, guidance counselor, attendance monitors, health office, discipline, and special education support staff. Custom fields can be configured easily for any unique tracking needs your school district may have, allowing for many field configurations, such as yes/no, drop-down lists, or text input screens. Incidents and discipline issues can be recorded on their own or tagged to a student or multiple students. Transportation information for both inbound and outbound ensures that you know your student's route to and from school. Our SIS also includes the ability to assign lockers and combinations, full integration with your library, and any religious requirements for your school. And there you have it, a 360-degree view of the student, all from one screen. Like what you see? Join us for our next video, where we will explore the online registration process for new students. Looking for more information about how Edsembli Cloud SIS can help you build the foundation needed for the future of education at your school district? Get in touch with one of our education specialists today.